I love girls. I love eating. So there's that.
She a freak in the sheets. Hey, what's up? It's Javi Mac with Kiss and Tell. We're doing a little chair interviews. I'm here with.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Teaa.
And.
Alexis.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about the experience, what you're expecting, what you're looking forward to tonight.
Well, hopefully the all-girl Asian I'm nominated for wins tonight. That's what I'm hoping for.
Such a good nomination, like all girl Asian. That's sensational.
Yeah, it's fire. I was deep in some There's a face writing train. You need to see it.
Oh, I should. Yeah, I should watch that. Yeah. Huh.
Well, I'm her manager, so I've seen the video, and and thirded and fourth. That shit was hot.
So what makes that experience hot? Like, how do you ensure the hotness?
Well, I love girls. I love eating. So there's that. Like, I love women. It's already hot for me, and I think just like an all-star cast of all of these sexy Asian stars, what's not to love?
You're right. You're right. And being a manager, how do you assess and help this situation facilitate?
Well, we definitely gotta make sure my girl is comfortable at all times. Boundaries are boundaries. I'll be there at the shoot and make sure my girls are protected. And then, well, Jazz is a talented girl. I'm not even just glazing, like, for real. She definitely knows what she's doing, and she's about it. Like what she's saying, if you're on it, you're on it. Like, the vibe will come across on camera.
You're not even glazing. Like I'm not even glazing either, and I want to be. But that's great. Because congratulations to you.
Oh, thank you. It's on Adult Time if anyone wants to see it, or you know where to find it.
You know where to find it. All right, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Where can they find you?
You can find me on my Instagram, JASTEAA, or the blue and white Jasmine Teaa.
And
Well.
hey, you don't need to find her. If you know, you know. You know? If you know, you know. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Stay glazing, my friends. This is Javi Matt from Kiss and Tell. Javi!